Welcome to the Emoji Quiz. Can you guess the animal by looking at these emojis? You have 5 seconds for each. Think fast. Ready? Let's begin. Guess the animal by emoji. That's a dog. Look, it's a cat. Here comes a mouse. It's a hamster, so cute. This is a rabbit. Say hello to the fox. Meet the bear. Check this out, a panda. Can you see? It's a koala. Here we have a tiger. Look up high, a giraffe. Wow, it's an elephant. Introducing the rhinoceros. Big one, hippopotamus. Desert friend, a camel. Over there, it's a deer. On the farm, a cow. Oink, oink, it's a pig. Fluffy, a sheep. Mountain climber, a goat. Galloping, a horse. Stripes, it's a zebra. Swinging by, a monkey. Strong one, a gorilla. Waddling, a penguin. Soaring high, an eagle. Hoo-hoo, it's an owl. Slithering, a snake. Slow and steady, a turtle. Leaping, a frog.